Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to use OpusClip AI. So if you also want to use OpusClip AI, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in opus.pro, press enter. Over here, you'll be led to the official website of OpusClip. Make sure you're signed into your account. In this interface, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for clip anything, solutions, resources, pricing. In solutions, you'll be able to find several informations over here. You'll be able to find the information regarding creators, podcasters, advertisers, real estate, etc. In resources section, you'll be able to access the blog, help center, customer stories, learning center, etc. If you click on the pricing center, over here you'll be able to see the pricing. You'll be able to choose a plan from here. If you want to go to your dashboard, simply click on the option My Dashboard that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you want to generate a viral clip, it's very simple. All you have to do is drop a link, or you can also upload. You can upload from Google Drive too, and in one click you'll be able to get the clip. You can see several options over here: long to shorts, AI captions, AI reframe, AI B-roll, AI voiceover. You can access the services. So upload the media of your choice, or you can also drop the link if you want. If you want to upload, simply click on the upload option that you can see right over here. Now from here you'll be able to upload. Simply click on the file that you want to upload. Now click on the open option. Now wait for a while and your video will be uploaded. If you want to master OpusClip, you'll be able to find several videos over here. Wait for the clip to be uploaded. Now you can see over here your video will be uploaded. Scroll down. Over here you'll be able to find several options. You can adjust the options according to your choice. You can find the option for genre over here. Right now auto is selected. Simply click on it. Now over here you'll be able to find several options like Q&A, commentary, marketing, webinar, motivational speech, podcast, academic, etc. Simply click on the option of your choice. You can also adjust the clip length. Right now auto 0mm to 3mm is selected. Simply click on it. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now you can also add the keywords if you want. You can filter the topic by keyword. This is completely optional. If you want to add the keywords, separate the keywords by comma. You can also see the processing time frame over here. You can select your clipping time frame. You can select it like this. Now over here you'll also be able to access the quick presets and my templates. You can click on the preset that you want to apply. Now let's go back. Now if you want to get the clip, simply click on the option Get Clips in one click. After that, wait for a while. Your project will be queued. And after a certain time, you'll be able to see the clip. After a while, you can see over here, you'll be able to see the clip. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to see the clip over here. You'll be able to post to your channel. You can see several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for publish on social, export XML, download SD, edit clip, etc. If you want to publish on social, simply click on the option publish on social. Now from here, you'll be able to publish on social. You can also edit the clip if you want. Now at left, you'll be able to find several options. Over here, you'll be able to find your profile icon. If you click on it, you'll be able to find the option like create a team, OpusClip captions, credit users history, logout, etc. Also, you'll be able to find several icons over here. You'll be able to find the icon for home, brand template, asset library, calendar, analytics, social accounts, subscription, help center. If you want to contact the help center, simply click on this icon that you can see right over here. Now you'll be redirected to new page. From here, you'll be able to contact the help center. If you have any problem, you can submit it over here. Now like this, you'll be able to use the OpusClip. So that is how you use OpusClip. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.